Along with these recent short-term drops, take into consideration this uptrend line from the last few upswing points that can be used for Fibonacci arcs, while this uptrend line from the downswing points can be used as the basis for the Fibonacci channel, which, like the chart on silver, will now focus on the 0, 1, 1.618, and 2.618 proportions. Then the interval for a Fibonacci time zone can be based on the duration of the 4-day downswing at the end of March. And right away it shows good validity with the more recent bearish developments taking place right on the number 2 and 3 lines. The trend-based Fibonacci time zone will also run through that area and will be shortened compared to last time, as it uses the uptrend line segment we showed earlier, rather than extending all the way back to last October. For more detailed explanations of these tools and other technical analysis methods, check out the hundreds of instructional videos already on the channel. Meanwhile, attention in the next few days will be focused on whether price can remain over the 507 level and follow a path like this to at least remain in the 1 to 1.618 portion of the Fibonacci channel, to regain the bullish advantage for another attempt over 522 later in the month. And if price is able to decisively close under 507 into next week, even increased volume would likely see price begin to slow down or even produce a bullish retracement, nearing the intersection of the 2.618 part of the channel, the next arc, and the 500 level, within the time zone interval from 0.382 to 0.618.